Today we're going to go over how to get a regular picture like this to look like this using Procreate. Okay, so I am going to open up Procreate and insert my photo. Let's see, which one is it? All right, here we go. Okay, so this is the picture that I want. I'm going to go to the top right where you see the two squares, click on it, and add a layer. Then go to layer 1 and click on the N, and you're going to make the opacity go down to about 47%. Alright, and then make sure you click back on layer 2. This is where you're going to draw. I like to use this pen, Studio Pen. So let me select that, and then you can start to trace over your picture using the pen. So just trace over. All right. And then you can zoom in if there's finer details that you need to work on. And zoom back out. And I'm gonna trace my hair, my face. Let's see, the glasses. I'm not gonna do my whole face. I'm gonna do that as you saw in the previous one where it doesn't have the eyes or the mouth, but I will include the glasses. I'm speeding this up a little bit just because it does take some time. So just trace, trace, trace. And then you can go and undo layer 1 just so you can see what your drawing is looking like. So uncheck mark it. And I'm going to erase this little hair part. Doesn't look very good, so I'm just going to get rid of it. Erase, erase. Okay, that's looking much better. Alright, so that's just the tracing and the drawing. Now, let's see, I'm going to go in here just as you saw, and I'm going to add the picture again. And I'm going to select it, make it smaller, smaller, and just put it on the top left corner really small. I'm going to go back to the layers, go click on layer 2, and then on the left you'll see a little square. You click on that and you can swatch the colors on the picture as you see there. Find the color, swatch it, and then just drag it to where you need it to go. So again, just fast forwarding this, just doing the same thing, swatching and putting it in there. Alright, so I am seeing a couple little details that I would like to work on. First one is going to be in the right here. Probably want to add a little bit of color and get rid of that right there. Erase. Alright, that looks a little better. And let me look it over. Now I am going to hide all of the layers except for layer 2, and then you can figure out what you want with your background. Could use a yellow background. What I like to do is to just keep the original background, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go back to the layers and then just check mark layer 1 and put the opacity all the way up again, and there you go, it's done.